Do you know the smallest monkey in the world? How about the slowest and the fastest animal ever recorded? Have you ever thought of a fish that can climb a tree? Hello, and welcome to Real Facts TV. In this video, you will know the 20 extreme animals that will amaze you. But before we start, please subscribe and like the video so you won't miss anything from us. Let's get started. 1. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. The whale's tongue can weigh as much as an elephant and its hearts, as much as a car. Despite being so massive, this giant of the ocean feeds on some of the smallest marine life called krill. 2. Philippine tarsier. The Philippine tarsier is one of the smallest monkeys in the world. It is known to have the largest eyes of any mammal compared to their body size. Each eye is actually heavier than its brain. It can also turn its head 180 degrees in both directions without moving its body. 3. Chihuahua. Chihuahua is the smallest dog breed in the world. This friendly little dog is so small that it can fit into your pocket and go along with you wherever you go. It has a sweet temperament, but it's very brave and will bark at dogs that are many times its tiny size. 4. Giraffe. An adult giraffe is as tall as a 2-story house. Its long, powerful neck and long legs make it the tallest land animal anywhere. It is also as one of the quietest animals. It isn't quiet because it's shy. It doesn't use its voice. Instead of sounds, a giraffe communicates with body language. 5. Tortoise. The big, slow tortoise that lives in the Galapagos Islands has a lot of time to explore its island home from one end to the other because it can live for 150 to 200 years. In addition, tortoise can't swim, but it can hold its breath for a long time underwater. 6. Mayfly. The mayfly has the shortest life. It usually lives only one day after it hatches into an adult insect. Its only purpose is to reproduce and die as soon as it completes its mission. 7. Snail. Snail is the slowest creature on Earth. You could take a nap or read a story while a garden snail slowly crawls across your shoe. In France, the snail is a delicacy in French cuisine. It is called escargot. 8. Ostrich. The ostrich is the fastest two-legged animal on Earth. An adult ostrich can run as fast as a racehorse. It is also the world's largest bird. The ostrich is also known with the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring almost 5 centimeters across, allowing predators such as lions to be seen at long distances. 9. Hummingbird. The tiny bee hummingbird is so small that it weighs less than the water in a teaspoon. From the tip of its long beak to the end of its tail, it measures less than 2 inches long. In addition for being the smallest bird, it also flies backward. 10. Cheetah. When it's chasing something it wants to eat, an adult cheetah can run over 105 kilometers (65 miles) an hour. That's as fast as a car drives on the highway. 11. Snakes. Snakes have very sharp vision, but they never shut their eyes, even when they sleep. Snakes have transparent eyelids that slide down to protect their open eyes from dust. 12. Tuatara. This lizard is known by many to have a third eye. However, this extra eye isn't used for seeing. The extra eye is a sensor that's used to measure sunlight and heat. 13. Mudskipper. A mudskipper is an athletic fish that can climb a tree. Even though it's a fish, it can move faster on land than it can swim in the water. The question is, how do mudskippers walk? They make use of their pelvic fins along with the pectoral fins for walking on land. 14. Cricket. If our human ears are located in our head, then you will be surprised that a cricket's ears are located on its knees. It also sings with its wings. They rub a scraping organ on one wing against a comb like an organ on the other. 15. Lungfish. They are the only living fish that have both lungs, as well as gills. They need this because they live in small lakes and rivers that sometimes dry up. When this happens, these fish don't die, but they can survive in the mud, for up to 4 years. 16. Sea otter. Every animal has a different way of sleeping, and the sea otter is not an exemption. When they sleep together in the river, they hold hands together, so they will not drift apart. 17. Chimpanzee. In 2015, the journal Royal Society Open Science reveals that chimpanzees in Guinea like to drink fermented palm sap. In short, these chimpanzees get drunk. 18. Sloth. Most sloths will only have a bowel movement once a week, and it can take them up to 30 days to completely digest a single leaf. 19. Octopus. What would you do if you have more than one heart? Octopus has 3 hearts more than you do. These 2 hearts are used to pump blood to its gills, while the third brings blood to the rest of its body. 20. Butterfly. Butterfly uses its feet to taste a plant. It has little taste bud sensors in its feet that tell it whether it's standing on something good to eat. These extreme animals are the rock stars in the animal kingdom. They get noticed everywhere they go. You may already be familiar with some of them, but others you may never have seen or heard of before. If you know other extreme animals, please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.